Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. I am Abrazak from fastnovas.com. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Google Analytics account for your website. A Google Analytics account helps you know the performance of the people that are visiting your website. By properly creating a Google Analytics account and set it up on your website, you will be able to know how many people are visiting your website, how many of them are using Chrome as their web browser to visit your website. You can know the traffics that are coming to your website from social media like from Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, so that this will help you know and how to rebrand your marketing. It helps you know the interest of the people that are visiting your website. You can know their ages, you can know their location, the device they are using, and also helps you know how much time they spend on your website. It helps you know the bounce rate of your visitors. If their bounce rate is higher, then you have to rebrand your marketing, redesign your website, change how you create content, this in order to lower your bounce rate. Google Analytics help you know this. Google Analytics also helps you know the pages that people spend their time on most on, so that you can continue create those similar pages. By watching this video, you will be able to know how to create a Google Analytics step by step, and also how to set it up on your website so that you can enjoy all these benefits. So continue watching this video in order to know how to create a Google Analytics. Now let's get started. My name is Abrazak from fastnovas.com. Now let's start creating a Google Analytics account and set it up on your website or blog. To create a Google Analytics account, you open your web browser. You are using Google Chrome here, and then you enter you type Google Analytics and click enter. This is the Google Analytics website. Then you click on it. Welcome to Google Analytics. Click the start measuring button. Here we are asked to create an account. You enter your account name. Here we are going to enter our business name. Check this on. Then click the next button. Enter your property name. We are going to enter business name again. The time zone, you need to select it. Select Nigeria. For currency, we are going to leave it for US dollar. Then click the next button. Here you need to enter your business information. First of all, business size 1 to 10 employees. Check this box on. Check this box on. You can check them all on. Then click create account. Here you select your country. Select Nigeria. Scroll down to read this term and conditions and check this box on. Accept the data processing terms as required by GDPR. Accept the measurements controller data protection terms for data that you are going to share with Google. Then click I accept. As you can see, the Google Analytics account was being successfully created. Then you click Save button. Now let's continue to connect it with our WordPress website in order to be able to track the performance of our website. To do that, you choose Web. You enter your website URL name. This is the website. Here you choose these different types of HTTP. If your website has SSL certificate, you enter this one. If it doesn't, you enter you select this one. Our own website has SSL certificate installed on it, hence we are going to select this one. Then enter your website name. Stream name. Enter your website name. Then click create stream. As you can see, our website was not being connected with this Google Analytics account. You visit your WordPress dashboard and click plugin. Click add new. Now search for GA then click install now button. Click activate. The plugin was now being installed and activated. To continue, you can click setting here and you will see Google Analytics. Click Google Analytics menu. Okay, the next thing you'll do now is log into your Google Analytics account which you created earlier and click get tagging instructions. Copy the measurement ID by clicking the copy button here. Go back to your website and paste it here. Then click save changes. The Google Analytics account was being connected to your website. You can see this settings saved notification here. That means it has been successfully connected to your website. Then to check now whether it's connected or not, then we are going to view your website in the new tab, new incognito tab, to make sure that it's truly connected. You copy your site URL Now you go to the new incognito tab. See already. Now click refresh. You are a visitor on this website. We didn't log in. You can see. Now let's go to your Google Analytics account to confirm. One users is one users now. That means, and that user is from Nigeria. That means your Google Analytics account was being successfully connected with your WordPress website. Anytime people visit your website, you can be able to know their performance, their country, the device they are using by going to this position here, the type overview. Over time, they will show you the visitor's device, the keyword they type into web browser to find your website. That is how to create a Google Analytics account and connect it with your WordPress website. You can see the visitor is presently viewing our homepage. Checking. Recently they visit a 404 page not found. It's also taking our website. That is how to do that. If you know that this video has helped you know how to create a Google Analytics account and set it up on your WordPress website, please give it a like, share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.